So I just received these handmade press-on nails and I am so excited to try these. I love press-on nails. These are pink fantasy color. Here it is. Here's the little storage container. And they are the 10-piece. You're going to want to measure your nails. So you're going to measure them and then choose the size. The product link will show you how to do all that, but I did that. I chose the size small, and it is the oval 3D gel design. They have really cute charms on them. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at how pretty these are. And what's really neat about these handmade nails is that they're more delicate and stronger than the original ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my nail polish and I'm going to go put these on and show you. Okay, so you just saw how easy it was to put these on. Look how amazing they look. Very nice. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off at all. These are on for a while. Look how pretty they look. I absolutely love them. Here they are. So if you're looking for press-on nails that are absolutely beautiful, look at how nice they look. So pretty. I highly, highly recommend these.